You stand at a busy airport terminal, looking out at the tarmac filled with massive aircraft. Whether it is Boeing, Airbus, or any international airline, you will notice one universal rule. Almost every single commercial airliner is painted in standard, solid white. It feels like a boring lack of creativity or just a cheap corporate default choice. But in reality, it is a calculated product of high-level physics and economics. Today, we are unlocking the scientific secrets behind why airplanes are almost always white and the hidden dangers of flying a colorful jet. The number one reason is pure thermal physics. White is the ultimate solar reflector. When an aircraft is cruising 7 miles high or parked on a hot desert tarmac, it is exposed to intense, direct solar radiation. A white fuselage reflects nearly all incoming sunlight, keeping the internal metallic cabin structure perfectly cool. If an airplane were painted in a dark color like black or deep blue, the body would absorb massive amounts of solar energy, heating up the cabin like a giant oven. This would force the engines to work twice as hard to power the air conditioning, consuming thousands of gallons of extra fuel just to keep passengers comfortable. The second reason comes down to weight and aviation economics. Painting a giant commercial airliner requires an incredible volume of liquid. A standard coat of white paint adds about 1,200 pounds of weight to a Boeing 747. Adding complex, colorful designs or dark pigments requires multiple layers, which can add up to an extra half a ton of dead weight. More weight means the plane burns significantly more fuel on every single flight, costing airlines millions of dollars annually. Furthermore, white paint makes visual safety inspections incredibly easy. On a pristine white surface, ground crew members can instantly spot dangerous hairline fractures, metal corrosion, or dark hydraulic fluid leaks. Colorful paint fades and bleaches rapidly under extreme high-altitude ultraviolet light, while white stays fresh, maintaining the aircraft's resale value. Surprisingly, there is also a biological reason involving wildlife safety: bird strikes. Flying birds have highly advanced visual processing. Scientific studies conducted by aviation biologists show that birds can spot a bright white aircraft against the blue sky much faster than a dark or colorful one. The high contrast allows flocks of birds to easily detect the oncoming multi-ton jet and fly out of the way, significantly reducing dangerous bird collisions during takeoff and landing. White paint literally acts as a visual warning beacon for the animal kingdom. The next time you board a flight and look out at that massive white fuselage, you can appreciate the genius logic behind it. It is not an uninspired design. It is a brilliant masterpiece of thermodynamics, aerodynamics, and cost efficiency, keeping your journey safe and affordable. Did you know that paint adds over 1,000 pounds to an airplane? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe to Simple Things, TraceBack, for more surprising histories of simple things. Stay curious and see you in the next video.